If you've ever tried putting handles on cupboard doors, you'll know it's a challenge. The Kreg cabinet jig ensures you can easily drill consistent and accurate hardware holes repeatedly. It's versatile and works with almost every style of handle or knob. The hardened steel drill guides take a 4.5mm drill bit, and they can also be adjusted to match all 64, 96 and 128mm handles, as well as knobs, whilst also ensuring the drill bit goes in straight every time. It has a movable guide and non-slip pads which can easily be adjusted between 25 and 127mm, depending on where you want your handle to be located. It's made from polycarbonate and ABS plastic, meaning it's durable and perfect for any job site. To mount a handle, simply position the drill guides to match the handles. Line up the jig to where you want the handle, clamp it into place and drill the hole. It's seriously that easy. On a draw, even easier. Find and mark the center, line up the mark on the center viewer, clamp the jig in place and drill, giving you professional results every time. If you found this clip useful, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate and be inspired.